Hi, my name is Hassan Raza and welcome to my video on how to make malware and how to protect yourself against malwares. In this video, I will show you how to make a real malware. But beware, don't use the malware on others and don't try to hack anyone. But of course, without their permission, you can not hack anybody, and do not use this malware to attack anyone. So this is a very serious topic, and this video is only for educational purposes. So malware is a malicious software which refers to any intrusive software developed by cyber criminals or hackers to steal data or damage or destroy computer systems. So there are many kinds of malwares, including viruses, which you have heard a lot of times. Antiviruses, for example, you use antivirus to detect the viruses in your system. Worms, Trojan viruses, spyware, adware, ransomware. So today I'll show you how to make a simple malware, but it really works, and it can lock all the files in your computer. So let's do it. So let me see what is my working directory, pvd. So my working directory is home, Hassan, and working. So this is my working directory, and I have a few files in my working directory. Let's see, cat file 2.txt. so this is another testing file, and this is the information in this file. Let's open file 5. So this is another testing file, so I can change the okay, so this is another testing file 5, and I will use it. Okay, so let me make another file 2, let's say, and let me open the terminal here, and let's say echo. So my name is Hassan Raza. So this file will be out file 3.txt. so there you go, file 3. Let me see what is in the file 3. Cat file 3.txt. yes, my name is Hassan Raza. So I have a few files here, and let's just delete this file key. I don't need that. So let's just get started. We need a library named cryptography. So from cryptography.fernet import fernet. So you need this library. So, and also you need to import OS. This is very important. Import OS. I have done that. Let's see, I want to see the files present in my system. So for example, I'm creating a list named files, and after creating the list name files, so for file in, I'm using a simple for loop for file in os dot list dir, and let's say the let me change the name of this file. So rename and malware YouTube, because I am making this for YouTube, so it will be malware youtube.pipynb. so if os.path dot is file, so file dot append file, so it will append all the files present in my working directory. It's giving me an error, so let's see why. So if os.path dot is file. So files dot append, it should be not file, it should be files dot append, because I am appending them in list. So print files. So the file 3 and file 5, file 2, malware, and these are the files present in my working directory. Let me see if they are present. Yes, they are. So I can actually check it by in terminal. Just write ls and you will see all these files are present. So as you know, I don't want to encrypt this file, because if I do that, I will not be able to retrieve the information. So I have to ignore this file. So if file is equal to dot .ipynb, or file, because I will make a file named key, so file named the key dot key, I will have to ignore this file. So it will continue, it won't continue, so it won't encrypt those files. Okay, so these are all my files. I have excluded this file. So I have let me make key. So key would be fernet dot generate key, fernet dot generate key. So let's see what is my key. So this is the key. Cool. Yeah. So with open, I'm gonna write this key in some file. So with open the key dot key, I have already written this here. Open as wb, or write binary as the key. So the key dot write key, so this will write the key. So here you go. I can show you, this is the key. So cool, isn't it? Let's see what's in the key. So this is the key right here. I have the key. So okay, so let's encrypt our files. So as you have seen, I can right now I can click any file and I can open the file pretty easily. But let's say if I encrypt the files, for file in files with open file read binary rb as the file contents is equal to the file dot read, and I have to encrypt the content. So contents encrypted, so this variable contains the encrypted content fernet, and I will use that key fernet key dot encrypt contents. So here you go. Okay, so with again open file, and here you go wb as the file. So the file dot write contents encrypted. So here you go. Okay, so let's see if I have encrypted my files. Let me see. So the text editor is ready. Oh, as you can see, all of my files have been encrypted now. So the messages are gone. Boom. So let's see, cat file 3 messages is gone. So cat, for example, cat file 5, so they all have been encrypted. There is no message there. So now I need to, this is a malware actually. Now I need to make a decryption key, so use that key to decrypt my messages. So I will do exactly which I have already done. So I will, for the decryption, I will use the above command. So cell, and this will be okay, so cell type, so this will be markdown cell. So decryption, from here I will post this entire code on GitHub, so you can find it there. So the first step would be the same as I have done it already. So the first step would almost be the same, so I will do exactly the same. I will append all the files in my path and do exactly the same, and I can see that I have all of them in my file. So next I have to read that binary. So with open the key dot key, and this should be the file the key dot key, and I have to read binary. So I will use RB as key, and this is, let's say, my secret key. So my secret key would be key dot read. I will read the key. So there you go. I have read the key in my secret dot key variable. Now I have to decrypt it. I can use this code right here just to decrypt. Instead of encrypt, I will write decrypt. So here I can write contents, the file.content. So instead of encrypt, I can write decrypt. Decrypted. So fornet dot I will use secret key, which I have created right here, secret key, and instead of encrypt I will use decrypt. So decrypt. So decrypt, so I will decrypt the content. So open file, and the file write, so it's instead of encrypted I will use decrypted content, decrypted. So here you go. Let me just see if it works. Oh, it does. So let's see. Now I can open my files or not. Yes, they're back. Amazing, isn't it? So as you can see, now I will be able to open my files, and yes, I can open all the files. So even, let's see, file 1, and I can open all the files. So okay, so there is no file 1, file 2. So I can open all the files, and you can see that all the files have been decrypted successfully. I will be posting the entire code on my GitHub, and the link is to my GitHub is below. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and you can comment below. I will try to answer your question. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you want